Kia America is pleased to announce pricing for the 2024 Niro Plug-in Hybrid entering the second model year of its second generation. The capable crossover is available in 3 distinct powertrains, HEV, PHEV, EV, with the PHEV rated at 33 miles of all-electric range and 510 miles of total driving range. The Niro family of vehicles delivers best-in-class cargo room and offers an extensive list of standard features, with over a dozen collision avoidance and driver assist features. The Niro PHEV arrives with virtually no change for 2024, except for a single exterior paint color deletion. Fire Orange Metallic was dropped from the Niro palette. The Niro PHEV comes in 2 well-appointed trim levels, X and SX Touring. X, $34,290. SX Touring, $40,040. Pricing, excludes $1,325. Destination. Engine, 1.6L gas direct injection, hybrid system performance combined, permanent magnet synchronous motor, 180 horsepower, 195 lb-ft. Torque. Inside and out, the 2024 Niro features bold design inspired by the opposites united philosophy that infuses inspiration from nature with aerodynamic refinement. The exterior of the 2023 Niro embodies a sophisticated and adventurous sense of purpose and achieves an impressive drag coefficient of 0.29. Its upswept, striking daytime running lights flank the signature Tiger Nose grille, which has evolved with the new Kia brand identity. At the rear, boomerang-shaped LED taillights sit alongside uncomplicated surface treatments for a concise and aerodynamic styling combination, while the heartbeat-shaped rear reflector, rugged-looking skid plate garnish and lower bumper enhance the front-end design. Niro HEV and Niro PHEV can be identified by black door cladding and wheel arches, while Niro EV is distinguished by steel gray or black exterior trim, depending on body color. The all-new Kia Niro features a bold and dynamic design inspired by the brand's acclaimed, opposites united, design philosophy, and specifically its design pillar, joy for reason. The treatment takes inspiration from nature, while the choice of colors, materials and finishes aim to strike the perfect balance between an environmentally responsible approach to mobility and a future-oriented passenger car vision. The side profile of the 2024 Kia Niro is accentuated by the Aero Blade, a highly distinctive shape that also aids airflow underneath the D-pillar. The Aero Blade can be painted in body color or in a variety of contrasting colors. Further enhancing the profile of Niro HEV and Niro PHEV are optional 18-inch alloy wheels. Dimensionally, the 2024 Niro retains a compact footprint but is incrementally larger than the vehicle it replaces. The wheelbase increases to 107.1 inches, and overall length increases to 174 inches. Cargo capacity behind the rear seats increases to 22.8 cubic feet. And with 6.3 inches of ground clearance, Niro can easily handle urban activities. With these changes, Niro has 8 more cubic feet of passenger cabin room and 50% more cargo room than the Tesla Model 3. 3 flavors, all sustainable. The all-new Kia Niro will arrive in the US in 3 distinct powertrain configurations: the Niro HEV Hybrid, the Niro PHEV Plug-in Hybrid, and the all-electric Niro EV. All Niro models are front-wheel drive, which provides advantages in adverse weather. A 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is standard in HEV and PHEV. The Niro HEV features a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine coupled with a 32 kilowatts permanent magnet synchronous electric motor, for a combined maximum power output of 139 horsepower and 195 lb-ft. Of torque, improved cooling, friction and combustion technologies ensure maximum fuel efficiency, and Niro HEV returns 53 mpg combined, when equipped with 16-inch wheels, and a driving range of 588 miles. When equipped with 18-inch wheels, the HEV still achieves an impressive 49 mpg combined. The Niro PHEV pairs the 1.6-liter engine with a 62 kilowatts electric motor, for a total system output of 180 horsepower and 195 lb-ft. Of torque, when it is connected to a level 2 charger, the Niro PHEV can refill its 11.1 kWh lithium-ion polymer battery in under 3 hours. Fully charged, The all-electric range of the Niro PHEV is 33 miles and achieves 108 mpg combined, an improvement of 25% over the model it replaces. The all-electric Niro EV is powered by a 64.8 kWh battery and a 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower, motor with DC fast charging capability as standard. Plugged into a level 3 fast charger, the Niro EV can replenish 10 to 80% in under 45 minutes, at a maximum charging capability of 85 kilowatts. The 11 kilowatts onboard charger also helps recharge the Niro EV in under 7 hours on a level 2 charger. EPA-rated air for the Niro EV is 253 miles. An optional heat pump and battery warmer help preserve range in cold temperatures. The EV will be available in 2 trims. The well-equipped standard model is Wind, while the fully loaded model is Wave. In addition to Sport and Eco drive modes, the all-new Kia Niro introduces Green Zone drive mode, which automatically transfers Niro HEV and Niro PHEV into EV drive mode in residential areas, and nearby schools and hospitals. The Niro automatically uses electric power based on navigation cues and driving history data, and recognizes favorite places, such as home and office set in the navigation system. Intelligent regenerative braking enables a variety of regeneration levels to easily slow the car and recuperate kinetic energy to maximize driving range. The system can calculate the amount of regeneration required using radar and road gradient information, and it can allow all Niro models to harvest the maximum amount of energy from its brakes while bringing the vehicle to a gentle halt.